Lane 30, Simon's baby. Call it Anthony Street Lane. So this was, constructed in 2010. Again, provide drainage for a 1 in 5 event via soakage to prevent flooding of about several properties down there. It's 80mm eco lock and quite a shallow pavement grading. As you can see, it's a laneway, not a high traffic load, this one. That's what it looked like shortly after construction. Nice and pristine. Swept every 6 months. Received a resident complaint in mid-2018 that their property or the rear of their yard was being flooded because their water wasn't draining away at the low point, and they suspected it was due to the blockage that you can just see it there. There's quite a few large trees that were dropping a lot of leaf litter, including the fine little nuts that were getting into the gaps. Sent our field crews out there after another rain event, and they went out there, basically levered up one paver, and the water drained away within 5 minutes. So it went from 200ml of water to nothing in 5 minutes. So that confirmed that it was an issue with the gaps being blocked, not the underlying aggregate. Lifted and relayed about 80 square metres right at the low spot. It's the section in red there. Does have the geofab, so we kept that. Now we know we don't need it, particularly in an environment like this. The geofab, the surface, the 6mm fine filter layer, and trimmed some of the overhanging branches. That tree's since been removed by the owner. That was about $8,000, so it's about $100 a square metre. Probably would have been a little bit less if we had a bit of a larger area, but again, just that small area, you have those costs. We've continued to monitor that, and we haven't had any further issues.